Hello, my name is Paola Ramirez, and I'm working on the restoration of ephemeral pools, also known as vernal pools. Vernal pools are pools of water that form in the forest floor from rainwater and melted snow from the winter. Ephemeral pools contain an optimal living space for frogs.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up here, stuck with the most boring researcher in the world. Ugh! I would be fine with literally anyone else. Seriously.
Such as
Anyway, my name is
and toads.
Pedro, and as you can tell, I'm super dead right now. I used to be alive once, born and raised in your average vernal pool. Loved to sing, dance, even juggle. I had 3 dogs, 2 teacup pigs, and 6 parrots who talked so much. And it's funny because they only spoke in Thai, which is crazy because I don't even speak Thai. I actually speak a little bit of Spanish. Look, ¿a dónde está la biblioteca?
Hey, what's a vernal pool?
Who the heck? You don't know what a vernal pool is? Heck? Okay. I gotta tell you about this thing. Vernal pools are these pools of water that magically appear in spring. Most of my family and friends are born here because there are no fish around, which literally eat babies. Dear Lord. So we do well there, to say the least. Now, I'm lucky because my hometown was lush with its native vegetation, but most vernal pools around the Chicagoland area have lost this vegetation. It all started 30 years ago when someone brought some buckthorn bushes from Europe and planted them in their backyard. Ugh, did they really need that? Since then, buckthorn has spread like a wildfire, shading out all native plants. And we need these plants and flowers not only because they're super cute, but because their root systems hold the soil together. And when those roots aren't there, all that soil falls right on top of me in the vernal pool. Thankfully, researchers such as my super exciting pal over here are trying to restore these pools efficiently through seed banks that my pal's mentor discovered to exist right below the surface.
I know he's literally dead, but does he have to be that mean? Is he bored or something? Does he want to go to Six Flags? What does he want? Why is he so mean?
Obviously, I want to go to Six Flags. You can still take me. It's literally free. Anyway, thanks for coming to my TED Talk. I hope you learned something about me and my home.